How to create and share a Google Meet link. We hope you find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share the video with friends and family members. Your support means the world to us. To create meetings in Google Meet, you need a Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, check out the description box below for a link to the video, how to create a Google account and send your first email. When the meeting link is created from a regular, free Google account, everyone must be logged into their Google accounts to join the meeting. To create a Google Meet link, click on the waffle icon in the upper right corner of your email account. And then click on the Meet icon. If you already have a meeting link, paste it here. If you want to create a meeting link, click here. And just like that, you instantly get a meeting link that you can copy and share with others. This means that both your camera and microphone are turned off. Click here to turn on your microphone so your friends can hear you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.